have I think three items I ordered. Here's an extreme close-up in natural light. I don't think you can see. Okay, actually, okay. Oh, wow, look at this. Good morning. I've had my makeup on for about, how long? 2.5 hours at this point, and I have on the Dior spray. They're right here. Hold on, let me go get them. So I have on these shades, and I said I was doing a wear test, and I filmed some, but that was like a month ago at this point. I know more about the product now, so I felt like, let me just do a wear test now again. So what I'll do today is a wear test just inside. And plus the weather's like more normal now. The first time I tried it, it was so hot. Anything I put on my face was just melting off. So I feel like this is more useful information because this is like regular weather. It's, let me see what the temperature is. Okay, the temperature is 72, so it's like right in that perfect spot. And I'll be inside. I'm not going anywhere, but we'll unbox some things. I got an order from Chanel, from Tom Ford. Those are things I purchased. So we'll do that, and then we're gonna just watch this. So let's go in close. Plus, oh, did you notice I changed my lamp? So I don't know if this is going up before or after. I think it's going up after my October favorites. So I was talking to Angela Van Hurst, thank you, Angela. We were talking a little bit about my lighting setup and the trouble I was having with the lighting itself, as well as the quality of the camera. We were talking about this lighting, and the light bulbs I had were yellow or warm, which can impact everything else, like my hair color, like the my skin tone. And so I went and I tried for some bright white lights. Now they don't look very pretty in real life, like in my home. I would like more warmth to my lights, but for filming purposes, it really gives a nice white background. So let me know what you think, or if you like the cozier feel. Like, I like the cozy feel of a warm light, but just to see the makeup, this works so much better. So I just filmed something and I noticed it looks just like more accurate in terms of the color. Let's take a look at this foundation. Again, I went in with 303 and 3W. So this is the deeper of the shades. This is the lighter. Doesn't look like it, but that's how it goes. So I put a blend of the two in the middle. I also went in with this 3W on the exterior, and I used that Shiseido brush. Really changed the way this foundation behaved for me, because when I first used it with like a beauty blender with my fingers or with a regular brush, it deposited too much of the hydrating, whatever's in there that's hydrating. It was almost, I don't want to say oily, but there was like a little bit of too much hydration for me. So that brush really eliminated that and put on the color. What I love about this is it's such a thin layer. So I'm gonna get in really close here. It's such a thin layer, but provides some really beautiful coverage without looking like it's covering my skin. It's very much a skin-like quality. So I can see why so many people love this. But let's go ahead and unbox some things, and then we'll look at this in some regular light as well. Okay, here's an extreme close-up in natural light. I've got some mascara, but that way you can see the finish of this foundation. I think it really looks so nice, which is why I've been wearing it so much in my videos, because there's a beautiful radiance about it that looks good in real life as well as on film. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox some things. I have a couple of things, one from Tom Ford and this is from Chanel. And like I said, I ordered both of them. So let's look at the Chanel first. And of course, everything always looks so pretty when you order from them. I have I think three items I ordered. I'm trying to purchase one quad, one blush, one lipstick by Chanel every month. So let me know what you love and what I should try. I was looking on and I have so many shimmery things, but this is shimmery, but not like super shimmery. It's neutral. It's the Blurry Gray palette. Even though it's neutral, it's still a little bit interesting. So I know, I think gray is like my favorite color, gray or grayish, or like this. So that's the palette. I also picked up a blush. I think many of you actually have mentioned this one to me, which is why it was on my radar. Of course, you get it in this beautiful packaging. I still don't know what to do with these little things though once you get them. And this one is In Love. This does remind me a little bit of Jersey, but more intense, but I do see some shimmer in there, so we're gonna have to work around that a little bit, but beautiful, beautiful shade. So I thought I would try those together, but we'll see. And then I picked up another lip. I picked up one of these Longwear liquid lip colors again. I spent a lot of time trying to look at the colors that were like more intense but not red. And I didn't end up on either of those kinds. I know that you mentioned this tender beige. I have timeless beige and I think that's what it's called, right? Timeless beige. This is tender beige. So we will be trying on all of those. So I'll try and do like a Chanel look every month. And by the time I know it, I'll have all of the palettes, all of the blushes, all of the lips. I don't know, I think lips are gonna be a lot harder to try out because there are so many. And then I've got this, what did I get? A sample of Sublimage face scrub. It's a vanilla face scrub. Okay, so this is the little sample of the face scrub. I got a I always get a mascara. I don't know, I don't really love this one, but I just get it anyway. And then let's open the Tom Ford. This is one of the reasons I'm doing this wear test video on this foundation, because I specifically had a question about this. So look how beautiful though. You get a bow, like the actual shipping box that it came in did not look very nice, but the insides are very nice. You've got that beautiful gold lettering on there. It's embossed. I like to save these because I just think they're so pretty, but I don't know what to do with it. Ooh, this is I guess a bag. Oh, wow. Look at this. So this is the bag for it. So I have two of them. Oh, okay, this looks different than I thought it would. I ordered these Tom Ford face coverings. So I don't know. I would put on my face. I want to wash it first, so I'm sure it's not been on anyone else's face. I'm going to wash this before I put it on. I don't know how widely available they are now, but I saw them pop up right away on the website and ordered a couple because I think they came in small and in large. My face is kind of small, so the only other choice was large, and I know that already the disposable ones are a little bit big for me, so I went with small. So it has the Tom Ford logo here, and yeah, it comes in this really nice case. So I got one in black and I got one in this color. I don't know exactly what color, but they had some beautiful colors. Oh, and I like the shape because it goes up further on the nose, which a lot of them go straight across. So nice. I feel like that's gonna fit. So I want to wash these first. That's what I don't know if you finished my thought. That was the whole reason I purchased this foundation, and I'm doing this wear test to see if I can find a foundation that works well with a face covering. That's the whole thing. Okay. So I thought, let's do this today. We will wear it like this, just regular, but I will wear this again and I will use one of these face masks, and then we'll be able to see, especially with this one, if we get transfer and how it does. And I'm also going to wear, for those eyeglass wearers out there, I'm going to put on, let me go get them so you can see what I'm talking about. But my blue light blocking glasses, I will be wearing these. Oh, you can see the ring lights in there. Like this. I will be wearing these today and tomorrow, and we'll see also how it wears in this area. I'll be wearing these today, and let's see how this goes. We'll check in, I don't know, when I remember. I have to edit a video and do some other things around the house, so we'll see. Okay, checking in, we're about 8 hours. If you look at the exterior, like over here, it looks really nice. It's just right here where the glasses are resting, and then right here, of course, but it looks pretty good. This will give us a nice comparison to how it is with the face covering. Check in one more time before the end of the day and see how it's looking. Okay, last check-in where we started about 12 hours ago. Well, actually we didn't start 12. I started filming about 10 hours ago, but makeup's been on for about 12 hours at this point. So you can see on the exterior, it looks really nice, but generally that's how foundations do on the exterior because my skin is more normal there. But in any oily spots, you'll see that it starts to kind of break apart just slightly, but there is a little bit. And one of the issues is I have concealer on too. So I did have my glasses on like this for a good part of the day. Like I'm gonna say at least 6 hours. That's how long I was on the computer. But that's, you know, it rests on my cheeks here. That's just how they go. And then there's a little bit of wear here, but it'll be interesting to see tomorrow when I do hair everywhere, setting spray on one half, and then we'll wear the face covering and see how that goes. But at least this is a nice like starting point, or not a starting point, this is a nice reference point for how this will do versus wearing a face covering. So take note. But yeah, oily, always have an issue here. So if you have typically average not oily skin, I think you're gonna be okay. But yeah, I generally have issues there, but not bad. Okay, so I'll see you in the morning and we are going to do another wear test. Back with day 2, and it's not morning anymore. It's the afternoon, and I've had this makeup on for a while now. I haven't put on my face covering yet, so how am I gonna do this? I wanted to spray like this, but I don't know if this is gonna hold the camera. Let's see. I don't think you can see. Okay, you are leaning against a House of Sillage candle right now. I'm gonna cover my face like this. Okay, that didn't work. Okay. So we're gonna do half and half and see if that helps. I've gotta go to the post box, and I did wash my Tom Ford face covering, so let me go get it. Okay, so if you're wondering what size, again, my face is on the small size, but I like this because it covers like all the way down here and goes pretty far up, and it's snug against the face. Yeah, so we'll see how that goes. But I bet you right now, but my ears, like it's pulling in my ears. Maybe I need a little bit more stretch here. That's the only part, but this part fits really well. Let's see. So the inside of the mask right now, I'm not seeing anything. And you'd think it would pick it up, right? That's pretty good, because I did have it on there for a little bit. Okay, it definitely feels more set on this side than over here. Should I put it on now? I'll put it on now. I'll do some chores and then we'll go pick up the packages. So I've been wearing my face covering a little bit, but I'm about to go out and get my the deliveries. Oh, what's my hair doing here? How's this looking? It looks okay, and the inside of the mask actually okay. Picked up a couple of boxes. This one's pretty big and that one's small. I don't think I can show them to you yet though, but let's see how much I can open here. This is what's inside. I can't show you any more than this because I already know what it is, but that's as far as I think I'm gonna open that one for now. So this is the other thing, but I will also be showing you that one a little bit. I couldn't share any of those things with you. There are certain dates when we can show products, and those two particular ones have dates. So they're very exciting though, so stay tuned. But let's take a look at this. So this is the side without setting spray. This is the side with setting spray. And then the face covering, I'll show you that in a minute. I'm holding up a light with one hand. That one, it doesn't seem to have much transfer. Now we're gonna go pick up dinner, so I'll be wearing the face covering one more time, and then we'll take another check at the end. But I've gotta say, what I like about this foundation is that it's so light, and not light, it is so lightweight. Like it's a really thin consistency, but also provides some nice coverage, but really skin-like finish. So yeah, one more test with the face covering. Here's the inside. Oh, there's the right side. So here's the inside of the face covering, and this is the part really that was touching my face. So, oh, there's a real good close-up. So yeah, not much transfer. It's pretty good. So we picked up dinner, and I wore a mask for a little bit longer just to see. I've tried this with extreme heat. It doesn't do that well, but I think with normal conditions, it does pretty well. Here is the inside of the face covering. So actually, so this is the side that had the face spray, the setting spray, this side, and this side did not have setting spray. So there's not, I mean, there's a little bit more coming off there than here, but it's not, I don't know, I don't think it's that much of a difference, but not bad. I mean, this is black, so if you're gonna see a lot of transfer, you'd see it here. It's definitely not transfer proof though, because there was some transfer, but it's not bad. I hope that was helpful for you if you were considering this, but it does have a nice thin layer. I like that. I think that the brush is key to applying this. Just spray it. Actually, I've been applying it in the bathroom in a sink. So I just spray it with a sink behind the brush, and then I'll just wipe the sink down after. That seems to be a really quick and easy way to get that done. But yeah, that's the only thing. And then other than that, I think it did really well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.